Allows new aftermarket stereo to be installed in factory location. Precision designed for a gapless fit between the dash and the kit. Color and texture matches the factory dash. High-quality automotive-grade ABS construction. Easy to install. No special tools are required. Includes step-by-step instructions. High-quality ABS plastic. ISO recess. This fit perfectly on my 2008 Dodge Superbee. I needed a single DIN slot to fit a Pioneer DMHWT7600NEX. The hole for where the audio unit fits is centered and made it easier for me to install my unit. The surface of it also matches the car's interior trim pieces.